Hi, Aerosmith here with Stellar Labs. I wanted to record this short video to show you where you can go if you wanted to send a test message. First, you would need to locate the hamburger menu on the top left corner. We're going to go to Feedback Genius and then you're going to click on Custom Messages. Once you click on Custom Messages, you will be redirected to the page where you will see a list of your custom messages. Just click on the message of interest and you will be redirected to the Review and Edit message page, as can be seen here. Once you have finished working on your custom message and you're about ready to click Save and Complete, but would like to send a test message first, all you need to do is scroll down and click on the Save and Send Test button. What will happen is a test email will be sent to the email address you previously set up in the message setting tabs. Also, I wanted to clarify that when you click the Save and Send Test button, Feedback Genius will send the test message to your email address, but you will also notice that the test message isn't using any real order data. Instead, it fills the test emails with fake order info such as order ID, buyer name, product, etc. These test emails are never sent to your buyers. Also, Amazon won't let you open feedback or review links for orders you didn't personally purchase, so you may see an error, and that's completely normal after clicking on the feedback link within the test message. Once you switch the message to active, it will start sending to your customers with the correct information and working links. Thanks for watching.